Good morning, children. Welcome to the EVS class. Yeah, children, we were reading the chapter Clothes We Wear. Today we will do new words of this lesson. I am reading these words with spelling. Okay, you will learn them and write in your notebook. First word is clothes. CLOTHES. Cover. COVER. Protect. PROTECT. Materials. MATERIALS. Cotton. COTTON. Summer. SUMMER. Sweat. SWEAT. Absorb. ABSORB. Next word is woolen. WOLLEN. Winter. WINTER. Warm. WARM. Raincoat. RAINCOAT. Gumboots. GUMBOOTS. Protect. PROTECT. Rain. RAIN. Occasions. OCCASIONS. Uniform. UNIFORM. Next is workplace. WORKPLACE. Country. COUNTRY. World. WORLD. Children, these words are in two parts. Today is one part. This chapter is very long. The second part I will give you tomorrow. Right? Now you see these clothes. Clothes we wear, that is clothes. Cover. किसी चीज़ से हम अपने आप को, जैसे हम अपने कपड़े पहनते हैं, we wear clothes, तो they cover our body. प्रोटेक्ट मीन किसी चीज़ से हमें बचाना, तो क्लोथ प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम हीट, रेन एंड कोल्ड. मटेरियल्स, कोई भी आइटम किस चीज़ से बनता है, इट इज़ कॉल्ड मटेरियल्स. कॉटन, इट इज अ टाइप ऑफ फाइबर. समर, इट इज अ सीजन. हाउ मेनी सीजन दीज आर? समर, विंटर, रेनी सीजन. 3 seasons you read here. Sweat, पसीना. जब हम गर्मी में या जब हम वर्कआउट करते तो हमें पसीना आता है, इट इज़ कॉल्ड स्वेट. एब्जॉर्ब, सोखना. जैसे आप स्पंज आप वाटर पर रखते हैं तो इट एब्जॉर्ब. लाइक दिस कॉटन क्लोथ्स एब्जॉर्ब आवर स्वेट. वुलन क्लोथ्स, दीज क्लोथ्स आर मेड ऑफ वूल. वूल वी गेट फ्रॉम sheep. Next is winter. It's also a season. Warm में गर्म रखना. ठीक है. Woolen cloth keep us warm. Raincoat. This we use in rainy season. Gumboots. These also we wear in rainy season. Protect mean किसी चीज़ से हमें बचाना. It is perhaps 2 times. Rain. Rain, it's a season. Occasions mean any special day, special time. और हिंदी में अब इसको आप बोल सकते हैं अवसर. यूनिफॉर्म, we wear uniform at our workplace. You are a student, you wear uniform in a school. Workplace, wherever we do work. Country, देश. India is our country. And world, मीन संसार, जिसको हम हिंदी बोलते हैं संसार. Children, you will learn these words meaning and write in your notebook. That's all for today. Have a good day.